Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own game, but also edit and shape it however you want in the app Chaotix. So as you can see, when you open the first main menu, you see a yellow search bar at the bottom saying enter your game idea. So when we just click that, you'll see a list of different prompts appearing down here. So right now, just because I want to demonstrate how you can create your own game, I think I'm going to just click one of these. Let's say I wanted to create a match 3 game in space. So I click on the prompt and we click generate. Now it takes a couple of seconds to kind of load in the game, and we're there. We've had a game created now. So as you can see, there's proper generated cutscenes you can go into with the proper story built in. And once I get in, there's an entirely generated game by the app just on a click of a button. As you can see, it's a Max 3 game and it's planet themed, planet and space gem themed, you could say. But let's say I want to go further. I want to change these assets. I want to change the entire look and feel of this game while keeping the core gameplay mechanics the same. So I can do that, and I'll show you how I can do that right here. So all you do is basically go into the edit section, and let's say I want to change the first level, which is the level we just played. So I click on edit, and it shows me a few visual assets. And as you can see in the drop down, multiple different assets that I can edit at my own ease. So I click on one, generate asset. Let's say single gummy bear purple, specifically because I just want a gummy bear, right? And it created a gummy bear because the idea is I wanted to create a candy themed game similar to Candy Crush, right? So I wanted to see if that's possible. So sphere of almond chocolate, and I created one. So I use it in visual, and then I go to the next one. I can just keep creating as many assets as I want, and there we go. So red symbol, sugar cube. Next asset, candy corn, because Halloween was right here, and I've been thinking about candy corn. So candy corn. There we go. Go candy corn. And the next asset, say a blueberry chocolate. Also, it's important that I add single because at times it can create multiple in one image. Single will help the program crop out a singular one because I just want it as an asset. I don't want it as an image, right? Next, going forward to sour candy. There we go. And now, toffee. Let's say I want to create a toffee with a wrapper. Single icon. And there we go. Single keyboard toffee. And now, apart from the assets, I also want to change up the menu screen, right? And the background of the game that's there behind the actual game, just to kind of give it more of a defined theme, you could say. So let's start with the main menu screen. So Candy Crush menu. Let's start button. And it's creating. And there we go. Okay, so we got a menu screen now. Moving on to the victory screen that we have. So victory screen, single text with victory written. It's better to be precise with what exactly you want. That way the AI also knows and can create something that is much more precise to exactly what you're thinking. More details, better results. Now I want to go to the cutscene at the start. Since it's completely space and gem themed, I need to craft a story that's more similar to the asset that I've just used. So my idea is to kind of create candy themed castle, but also let's say there's a villain which could be like a fiery lava palace, and we have to take over this fiery lava palace with candy, and that's sort of the idea here. So I made the castle at the start, and in the end Let's try to make a spaceship that's basically getting onto the lava castle and taking over the lava castle, right? There we go. Okay. Candy themed space shuttle is done, and yeah. So those are the cutscenes. Now we're going back to the actual background of the game to keep it similar in theme. There we go. Basically, a lava themed throne room, and it's getting invaded by the knights from the spaceship. And let's hit play. Going disappear, right? And there we go. The game's completely changed, visuals are completely changed. It's the same game. However, the assets and everything else has changed. The gameplay loop is the same, but I can even change this from a candy shop to something else, and I can keep going. I can try multiple possibilities. But there you go. That's how you can create your own game in Chaotix and also be able to edit and create them at your leisure.